Whoa.
Whoa.
That looks cool, don't it?
Huh? Ow. Ow.
Yeah, that would work pretty good. There's one piece. So much for this stuff not working.
Huh?
Said so much for this stuff not working.
Yeah, here you go.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's fine. Some of this ain't wanting to pop up. Maybe they're right.
Yep, now. I will. I'd start stopping.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the cage install in the Mustang. So, I tried dry ice on this sound deadening in the car, and it was an epic fail. One of you guys had commented on my video and said that it wouldn't work, and I didn't read the comment until after I bought the dry ice, so I thought, well, I've got it, why not try it? And it does not work. Yeah, I think a little bit cracked up from the sound deadening, but after that, nothing really happened. So I went to the tried and true method of using a heat gun and a scraper, and it looks kind of nasty because a lot of the residue stays behind, and I could clean that up, you know, if I wanted to, probably with a little bit more time and effort, but I'm gonna leave it the way it is. It sits under the carpet, so it's not a big deal. The big deal is that I got most of it pried up so that Rusty, if Rusty has to weld any plates into the car, he'll be able to do that. So without having to go ahead and do everything that I just did, he can just clean it up a little bit and weld the plate to the floor. So I got the gas drained out of the fuel tank. I'm going to drop the fuel tank here in a minute, and we're going to get this thing ready to go over to Rusty. So I meant to tell you guys another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all this metal from the dash. I weighed the dash, and it's about 52 pounds with all this metal in it. So I'm going to delete the metal. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's got to be a good 35-40 pounds. Going to delete that, and I'm going to, where the steering wheel bolts here, there's going to be a bar that goes across the back side of the dash right here, and Rusty's going to fab up some stuff so I can mount the steering wheel to that instead of having to mount it to this metal part. But here's the gutted dash. It's really light. It's probably like 10 pounds, 10 or 15, maybe not. It's probably 10 pounds. So that's going to drop some significant weight off the driver's side of the car, which I think is going to help out some, along with all the other weight reduction that I'm doing. So just wanted to tell you guys about that. We'll get on with the video. All right, what's up, guys? So I got the harness pulled out of the dash from where the metal was in the dash, and the dash is now gutted. All the metal is going out of the dash. One thing I did is I cut these ends off the metal right here so I could bolt the dash back to the on the sides right here to keep it more firm. So I have these bolts that hold it in and these 3 bolts up here. I also cut off these tabs that mount the steering wheel to the old like bar. I'll go over here and show you guys the old bar. So here's the metal that was behind the dash. It's all hacked up now, and there's the bar that I cut those mounting tabs off of. I weighed it, and it's about 25 pounds, roughly 25 to 30 pounds that I cut out of the dash. So that should be a significant change of weight on the front side of the car. So this thing's ready. I got the gas tank pulled out, and I'm gonna get this thing loaded in a trailer and get it over to Rusty.
Keep going.
It's definitely crooked right now.
Huh?
It's a little crooked. Alright, yeah, keep coming. There it is. Here at Fabrication out here with Rusty. Got some pretty cool stuff going on around here. These are probably some of the only Ford guys around this area, so we all stay pretty close. Got 3 valves sitting over here. Really, really nice setup. Nice setup shop. Got all kinds of stuff going on over here. Some motorcycle build going on. There's the man right there,
How you doing, guys?
But yeah, man, we're looking forward to getting this done. I'll probably talk with Rusty and see if he wants to maybe do like an interview or something, you know, afterwards, where we could talk about your shop or whatever a little bit, you know.
Absolutely.
Whatever, but yeah, well, next time you guys see the car, it'll have the cage in it, and we'll be ready to rock.